morning, Olobo. Good morning, Benedicta Giver. Good morning, Aboni Lily. Success. Good morning, Miss Iyamu. Last morning, back Osmo. Mommy, That is his Obo William. We saw. Don't. Yeah, man, what I say. Bon. Good morning, Favor Patrick. Sage. Ba, no why again single mother. Why you baba wa go wodo ya. Why am jani mo? Ya agwa kana. Taba single mother. Now I know the one will be Taba single mother today. Don't West. Bonnie Yes, this is Kokobiri Master. Good morning to everybody. Good morning to my fans. Good morning to my viewer. I greet everybody. Today is another video. Wait, this one are for women. I know a person. Yes, this yellow torsion. The Kokobiri Master, the husband to all single mother. Today, this morning, I want to talk on our sister. I want to make us know. The first of all, may I don't greet una for English, may I greet una for my tradition. Abira wa domo wa lavize. Abi popo nije. Ije n'oge wabe laveze avec the good single mother no be ije no be wenegbe ibe tuwaya edene na ya gwan kan e no kan uji no go okwo no mo do ke wo kwo na mo do an uji no be go na mo do eso no ma yegbe yen mani meti Kokobiri avada like woni yo wa ni ri modo ni ro woni modo ni mani ro ibe to take the difference of here or it to tell ya tie both I na talk about taba and woni kaba ni ro eyan game my ebe na muda understand. So today ya gwa kan oh bujo okay, yeah, to try to no. Yeah, all time. Oh, go me we ni awe ona. Bujoy. So my people, what I want to talk about today, but may I move and go the other side because since you don't want to let Papa do this show now. Yeah, you go cool. Go and meet your mama. Yes, make I talk. we na ye challenge e baba we la ma we buja ni total e jan do we since ye we am we ba me ni mu na no mu me o since my prince we know daddy ya worry here and I okay what well ni laro bonopa since we no lo me ne daddy we laro bo we alu ni yako since owo e ko ni daddy to taye wa no do ore wa since we e ko ni daddy to taye wa omo and I be see aye wa no since owo yan alu e yako ọmọ abújẹ ọwọ yàn lélẹ bàbá kù ọmọ ìwé bùnmi adé ma go and meet mommy ya ìgbà ìṣèwé àyẹ̀wò ní numu mona excuse me o ìwé bùnmi adé ma okay you don mwe money who are those total yẹn pépè hey ṣe okay me I talk this my boy yeah for where la bi me imu we omo na wa bi a single million na oh yeah get go and meet mommy so a good make pikin dey play yes as a good father that is why he's playing with his father take all they use all your things dey play meet mommy so wetin I dey talk about just now wey involve our single mother, you know, I dey talk about a responsible single mother and a single mother wey don taba, and single mother wey dey vandalized by kokobiri, and single mother wey dey decent, and a married woman. The difference between a married woman and a single mother and a taba single mother and a single mother vandalized by kokobiri and a responsible single mother. Yes, we want to know why. We go know the difference and we go know the one wey we deserve respect from man. We go know the one wey man suppose put for us. Because this issue of single mother wey many of them don taba una know many single mother wey don taba, we know them. Many of them wey don taba. Now we want talking about single mother we don't taba and the respect wey we get for married women. Now today, we are to touch more the kokobiri master who say single mother must what marry and our men must live a what decent and carry out their responsibility as a father. Today, we are to touch the kokobiri master. Imana we do be ipa ọgọ́ni re o wa le baba kun me we awa le ku be so now I want to talk about those one. Why are they talking about those one today now? Because why I don't see I say many of our women are still, some of them, not all, some of them are still living a wayward life, a useless life, and they expect a man to marry them and keep them as a wife. No. There are what we call a virtuous woman. A woman that we are supposed to give respect to. A responsible woman. A woman that have the quality of what? A housewife. We don't look for beauty. We dey look for a woman that will be loyal and will be submissive. Even I see many of our women nowadays now, where they don't vandalize by kokobiri. Now, like this video now, you cannot expect a man to marry a girl. This Germany, Nigeria girl where they Germany, the way they blow this, for example, now this one, so where I not go bring come out because why? This na Nigeria girl, so now you cannot expect a man to marry this kind of woman. These are example of a single mother that has been what? Taba. A woman wey taba. A man not be marry a woman wey don taba. A single mother wey don taba. You know why they say the different wey don taba? Woman wey kokobiri vandalize. You know, the essence of vandalization. We have what you call when you vandalize, No, when they vandalize, you know the one when they vandalize, where we say after vandalization, you know, say you come to away one piece of the thing, property, one roof to this kind, all those ones when they don't throw away like that. Yeah, what is that? You want to sit down with Papa? Oh yeah. What you want to play with Papa? See me, you want to Papa? Take now, you they play with your. You say me I come out there, I don't come out there. You want to hear music? Papa don't play music now. You need music. Take. Yeah, come. Yeah, come. You want me? I not go come up here. Even the way I do. Okay, I bet me I give her waiting. They find way see that other. Look at. You don't that girl. Where you trying to put? I bet me I give my pikin waiting to wait for corner. There where they find. Yeah. So when we talk about the Taba women and what the responsible women, now a woman wey don Taba, woman wey don Taba, we get their different type of okay. You want say okay, you want to Papa. This one. Okay, may I play this music? This might be key way 1 year this music. Mona, hold on, sir. May I use this music before I start am now again? Wait, Mona, hear this music about what I want to talk about now. After this music, I'll talk now. Well, Mary speaking, take play now. This music now for married women. I prepare am before I talk am. Watch this music before I describe those women wey don Taba and so many wayward women we get and talk. I'm gonna hear this music. Okwono wowodo waka iwanane. Yes, ushi wo na kwata rebe no pokono ma wa da me o. Ono ma pa wodore. Hear this music before I talk am. I just take this break now. When I hear this music, baby, no, you water o. Wow, yeah. Ìdánù wa o, wo yóò gbọ́dọ̀ o. Ìdánù wa o, ojú ni ó wọ̀ tẹ̀m̀tẹ̀mọ̀, ojú náà gbọ́dọ̀ àbẹ̀rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Kó wà yá o. Ẹ́ o, òyà ni ó wọ́dọ̀. Dèmi náà lọ́rọ́ pàbó wọ́dọ̀ rẹ o. Ẹ́ o, náà wà náà kó wà yá o. You like music? Báwo dé ìwọ̀n mi? Báyọ̀ wọ̀dọ̀ rẹ o, oṣù náà gbọ́dọ̀ rẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ nù o, ìdáhùn wà yá o. Kẹ̀kẹ́ nà lọ́kọ̀. Tọ́yẹ̀ ìfẹ́fẹ́. Kíra o. Wà á kókó níjẹ́, wà á kókó ẹ̀kọ́ nìyàn. Good morning, kórè fẹ́fẹ́ hàn. Wà á kókó níjẹ́, wà á kókó nìyàn. wájú. Wọ́n mú gbòógì náà lọ́nà ìwádìí ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀wà náà ní tọ́lù wájú. Ìdánúwà ògbóni àmìnì ìyàfẹ́. Ìdánúwà ògbóni ìrìn ní ẹ̀nà. Onítọ̀wọ́ abẹ́bẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀nà. Ọkú wà yá o. Ẹ o, wòyá ní máa. Ìdánúwà ìwọ ni ó wọ́dọ̀ o. Ìdánúwà ògbóni yóò gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ ọmọ. Onítọ̀wọ́ abẹ́bẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀nà. Ọkú wà yá o. Tọ́lù wájú. Kama wẹ́ ọyọ gbọ́dọ̀ bá mi ọ̀wọ̀ wẹ́ gbàgbé gbọ́dọ̀ ìrọ̀lọ́ wa nẹ́nẹ́ òyàjí àjọjí wà tọ́lù wájú. Ẹgbẹ́ tàmà wẹ́ o. Ọwọ́ wa mi ní okú mẹ́mẹ́ òkè yàyí ayélujára àtọ́lù wájú. Ìdánúwà o wíwo ní ẹnu mẹ́rẹ̀ àná. Ìdánúwà o wíwo ní mẹ́rẹ̀ àná. Ọkú wà yá o. Ìdánúwà o wíwo ní ẹwà tìtọ̀ o. Ìdánúwà ìwò náà wọ́n gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ mọ́. Ìṣúná wà dábẹ́ gbọ́mọ̀. Ọkú wà yá o. Demi no lọ́rọ̀ pàbò wọ́ọ̀dù ọ̀ ojúnà kó wá dábẹ́ bẹ́nu ọkọ̀ wà yá o. Demi ní ẹ̀wọ̀n pàbò wọ́ọ̀dù rẹ̀ o ojúnà kó wá dábẹ́ bẹ́nu ọkọ̀ wà yá o. Demi ẹ̀wọ̀n pàbò wọ́ọ̀dù rẹ̀ o ojúnà wá tẹ̀ pásítà ọdún wà yá o. Ojúnà wá dáná bẹ́nu. Nọ́bù wà yá o. Ọ̀nà yẹ́yẹ́ ajẹ́ náà o. Ajẹ́ náà o. Ẹ̀kọ́ níyàn wà gbogbo ọjọ́ yẹ́ fẹ́fẹ́. Wà bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kí wọ́n mú ọ̀pọ̀ ayé ìdíje. No, what do you have to? You know, back to the demo. Have you German or what on? Okay. Who am I to buy me cocoa bean? Oh, what are you? Oh, what are you? Oh, don't leave your magic. No, Yes, this Kokobri Master, the program between live and direct. We hear the talk show number 1. The what? The Kokobri Master, husband to a single mother. A woman, the restraint where they a married woman and a woman that has been vandalized by Kokobiri and a woman where don't taba and a responsible single mother. We are going to differentiate or we want to make people know the woman where don't taba. We want to make people know the one where vandalized by Kokobiri. We want to make people know the responsible woman. We want to know people know say a woman that is happily married and live with her husband without complaining and be loyal and submissive and the respect wey dey with the woman body we wan hear because we don see say single mother wahala e don too much for social media. We don see am say for Germany single mother e too much. We don see am say for France single mother. Obimena ya peri ojo na oboye obimena ya wa demi ya yo oya yo bo on this boy don sabi on all this thing. Me I all do am. This my pikin like music o. Go by himself go dey honor. The man no down here. Okay, they hear down like that. Yo honor, so we go on I only way yo. They play that one. So we want let people know. Honor, we like the music. Oh With the verse, because I can move the load the music. The music master when go on. So, by the verse, I not play that music. They hear that one small. My pikin like music. So what are they talk about? So they all different of the married woman and a responsible woman. Now we they talk about a married woman. A married woman is those women we call the virtuous woman. A married woman, a woman, the respect we deal with a woman that live with her husband is even different from a responsible single mother. Now, what are the difference in a good word married woman? I'm not gonna play that music. Yeah, but soon, if you're no, music finish. Music don't finish. Music finish. Okay, me I carry you me at the top. You have to hear. I not play that music. So now, a responsible married woman leave this remote. So a responsible married woman, a woman who live with what? A happily what? With the husband. A responsible married woman are women, no matter the difficulty, no matter the crisis between she and the husband, the woman will be patient and without complaining, rather taking the issue of her husband toward the family, not the friend, for backbiting to scandalize her husband. The woman is the woman who bear the pains with the husband, but at the end time, she will enjoy the marriage, because all marriage, no marriage is perfect. Now, the difference, now we are talking about what? A married woman. There is difference between a miss and Mrs. A miss is a woman who is single. She is not married. She's not married. There is a respect you give toward a married woman and a woman that is not married. A woman that is not married is a woman that who is a young girl, who can leave her. She is a young girl, she's getting married. Okay? Now, a responsible woman is a woman, no matter what you tell her about the husband, you see husband with another girl, the woman will be patient. We call her the husband honey. Mama Jessica says you with girl. He go ask her honey. Or if you know what call me, why you go carry the husband will not explain. Those are the woman who want to stay with the husband. Those women, they're not going to leave their matrimonial home. They're not going to strain their husband and say, do this way, not do this way, I not go come out. The woman go pay, say, I have married. I don't wish to go back to my family home. I want to live a happy life with my husband. Initially, it might be rough and tough, but when getting to the end, you will see the sweetness of that marriage. That is why there is a song used to sing in a dull language that say, Igbiagia oviwe, Ijomo rigo, Hepo nuna sise, Igbiagia viwe, Ijomo rigo, Hepo nuna suse, Igbiagia viwe. I let Igbiagia no viwe na, Abe kontapa and condemn single mother, because any of you way or dorigo iye man no riviwe na no because ori mama iye mato no woni man, but the woman was a happy woman, understand with the husband, no matter the crisis, the humiliation, do that way or money babo wodore or see and I see one way ijo mo rigo Hepo nuna suseo Igbiagia viwe. Ijomo arigo no ga ebu. But a single mother or yame jowie no done. Why me mo single mother ero mo ereba? Yaga mo piano via. Yaga mo piano via. You understand? These are some of the bad things. Nabi Ijomo Nibu, those are what? Those are the condemned single mother. Now, so why am I saying all these things? Why am I saying all these things? Today, I want to let people know the restraint wey deal with a married woman. When you are single and you are even living a wayward life, you are a useless and yet single mother. A woman must live a discreet life. When a woman, because of your children, but we see our women, a lot of our women nowadays, they don't even care about their children, from Peter to John, from John to Osayi, from Osayi to Orun, from Erun to Emeka, from Emeka to Unadi, from Unadi to Ola, from Ola to Chukwuemeka, from Chukwuemeka to Musa. They pass through this one, they call it Akokobiri. These are the women where we don't know straight. Now then, don't taba now. I'll tell you how women take taba, and I will tell you the one with the Kokobiri and vandalization and the taba squad. The taba squad are even worse now than the Kokobiri, because what the taba squad, then don't taba, I mean Nagiyawehu. Because you were living a life that doesn't please any man. Neither the Kokobiri that was vandalizing you before you become taba. Now, a lot of single mothers choose to live a wayward life. You understand me? Why am I preaching this gospel? For our women to live a happy life, to live a nice life, a life that will give them joy, a life that will embrace peace. Not a woman living a life that doesn't even please her herself. Now, when you watch these women carefully, if you see a woman that is single, a single woman, you'll see 18 years old boy they use and do press up. 19 years old boy they use and do press up. 20 years old boy they use and do press up. In your pikin age, they use and do press up. Why? Because she has been vandalized. A woman, when be say the kind speed where Kokobiri blow this woman. The kind speed where Kokobiri, how you say me man take marry such woman? Tell me which can go marry a woman where this one where see am make this woman where your bend like this so see am EJ man una only your hear the sound see am na woman believe so Kokobiri more na your hear na woman na you dey see so una see the woman una see am I no wan show na the woman. Who they hear the sound? So, okay, this guy woman, more like here, this guy woman.
Mama, waiting they saw. Who say you? Let me say you. Oh, God, you dey cry for bed. Now, jump my video.
Buiju, umagume ewe we mona. So, a woman wey don taba that have been married. Buiju amowe. So a woman wey don taba, a woman wey be say, Mona hear this one. How una say person marry this taba one? You understand? Hear the sound of a taba woman. No one show the video.
Who say you? Now me say you. Oh, God, you dey cry for bed. Now, jump my video. Forget me. Drama go drama. You don't ever wear you.
See, this one fine real so Germany. Hey! See single mother. See, how you say a straight man fit marry this girl? How do you expect somebody to marry this girl? How do you expect? I don't know the way because I not be sure they not block my Facebook. How you expect somebody to marry this kind of a woman? Okay, the speed alone when the boy kill the one with the woman, when they don't back, if you marry this kind of woman, you go be do her. No, how you go do this kind of woman where you no go leave you. You scream. Eh? You scream this kind of one from Germany. This kind of woman, so when this one just be slow, how do you expect a man to marry this woman? This woman, hey, I'm not friend for Germany. See the girl, madam. You fool yourself. You fool yourself, madam. You fool yourself. And the Kokobiri boy, I just put camera for one place. These Kokobiri boys, Kokobiri. The one that they do our sister, Kokobiri, the one that they do our sister, and the verse, Kokobiri don't finish a lot of our sister. How can you expect a Nigerian man to marry this woman? Go be satisfied this woman? Is it possible? No, when the woman don't come up for her marriage. Hello. Money, open your number. Please open your number. Open your number. Not the pick or no number. Open your number. If you cannot open your number now, I know they pick. How you pick? How you pick? Marry this kind of woman for us? Tell me. You cannot marry such woman. How you pick marry this woman? Those who not hear this, I make una hear. Well, I don't want to show the video.
Who send you? Now me send you. Ovas, you dey cry for bed. Now Jama you do, you forget abi. Jama go Jama, you dey ever wear you.
See her? They wear her. Baba, mo ba re do. Ijeme. See wearing. What do you want or something for? Why you take all against your land? A man, your position, you see you here, you wayward single mother. You see, huh? This is what they talk about single mother. How can a man marry this kind of woman put for us? Tell me how man fit marry her. Tell me how man fit marry this girl. Best not be married this kind of girl now. This kind of girl, this single mother. And if you see the way they say we are comfortable single mother, that's why they wear them. Those ones they call themselves comfortable single mother, that's why they wear them. Any woman will call themselves comfortable single mother, that's why they wear them. And they will tell you we are comfortable. When you are comfortable, because you know you don't taba. Now I come to the issue of taba squad. The taba squad, issue of taba. If you live your friend, don't say that I don't taba. Those are taba squad. Women wey don taba when their mouth collect pikin but when if they smoke go dey blow anything blowable. Those are the people wey don taba. The taba squad, the Kokobiri Federation come even semi better pass the taba squad. The Kokobiri Federation and the taba squad, they are working in line because those that are taba, the water dey choke from their body. The Taba squad are those women wey don peace for us. Their body don open well. Now no man can marry them. All they decided to say I'm a comfortable single mother. What is comfortable in being a single mother? Tell me what is comfortable in being a single mother. A woman claims to be comfortable single mother when she's being wayward and condemned as useless to the society. A woman without no man is irresponsible woman. A woman that is not living under the umbrella of a man. She's a taba squad. Now I'm telling you, the woman that have been taba are those who are calling themselves what? Irresponsible because why they don't taba. No man can come into the in-toto. Any man that come into the in-toto will run away because he's a bucket. That is a bucket or why? When we are talking about why, a taba is why. You cannot go into why. Are you mad to go into why? If you go there, you because before you go there, it's watery, it's away. You cannot sleep with a woman who call herself a comfortable woman, single mother. No. Now, don't because after the vandalization, they are being vandalized. After they are being vandalized, Janta, yes, whoever. After they are being vandalized, Janta. After they don't vandalize, not so when they don't vandalize them. Don't come taba. Tell me, how can you marry a woman who don't taba? Because this taba single mother, they are all dying in silence. They can't cry out because they are not living a good life. Because they want people to die with them. That's why you see these women, they want people to die with them. Because they are dead already. You understand what I'm saying? Because these people, they know say arm robber, wey know say they want kill am. He know say they go want initiate people join each other. Now so those taba squad of single mother be. You understand? You know say they are moving from grade to grade. You know they get first class, second class for school. You understand? Those who came out first, talking. Now so with the C word, the first class single mother. With the C word, the second class, the third class. Now, you see now from the vandalization, they don't vandalize them. You know, say any roof of house where they destroy vandalize without no girl, you fit sleep the house. Any house where they vandalize, they don't remove all the roof. Can you sleep that house? It's a question. I want you to answer me that question. A house that has been what? The roof has been pulled off. Will you be able to sleep that house? You can't sleep that house. Same goes to the woman that has been vandalized by Kokobiri. Any woman that has been vandalized by Kokobiri, oh boy, you can't even go there because she has been taba. After Kokobiri have vandalized her, she know no Nigerian man can put her as a wife now. She now know that those are the women that belong to the Taba Single Mother Association. That are what now wanted were those that are vandalized from by Kokobiri who refused to change to join their association. Those are what the helper what single mother. The upper single mother are what the Taba Association of Single Mother, because they are Taba. And you don't go to one Jews because they have become a wayward women among the what a decent women. They have become the condemned single mother among the responsible single mother. You see there? You see, how can a man marry such woman? Tell me how a man fit marry that woman. When you have the year like Messi, Jama Messi, the Jama. Tell me how a man, after you deal with that woman, you don't dey old, you don't dey clone. When you not be the give her the way that Kokobiri they give her, my dear, you get her. She must dey sleep around. Those are what a lot of our single mother are engaged herself in doing. And Nigeria, some of our Nigeria single mother, not all, some of them, that is what they engage herself because they are being taba. You cannot satisfy them. You see that one when the Jama machine is jam around, that guy whether they talk and that guy na bad shooter. He said the Jama machine don't jammer you. When Jama machine jammer you, how can you live a good life? It don't jammer you. Now yet is the way the man they tear am. That kind one. And what he pay me back, the Nigeria guy, he position the leg well. He said these are what we call what what they call this he hold on like Spider-Man. You know when Spider-Man when take position for the world. Now he hold on. When the boy tabara, now when the boy naka, now he move and say now say God oh. How waiting man fit satisfy such woman? Eh? How you say make man take satisfy such woman? Tell me. Tell me, how can you satisfy such a woman? How can you satisfy that woman? How can you satisfy such women? A woman wey be say e don taba. Tell me, you see there a woman wey don taba. Take a look at the woman. Single mother. If you know you belong what to Kokobiri Violation Association, it's not too late. It is not too late. You better will change and deviate from that before you become taba. And when you are taba, no man they marry you. Now make you see those who claim to be a comfortable single mother don't want a man. They don't taba. They don't taba because they know no man can go into there. Those ones they chop every day. 4 boys they chop them every day. The taba squad. Una know many women wey don't taba for social media now. We know them. We know many of them wey don't taba. The taba squad. All those women wey don't taba so. Nothing you can do with them. Nothing. They are disgrace to womanhood. When you see a responsible single mother, when the good responsible, when the husband leave, when a man breaking heart, because some of men will be just single father deceive those women and make them a single mother. After collecting their money, they'll say, when I reach to marry, you not get money again. Those women, because they were not willing to remain single, those women are living with a decent life. They keep themselves for the right man. Or if that same man will come back. And if you see some of those men do come back to them. A woman that keep herself. Women don't understand one thing about women. When a man neglects you sometimes with your child, those men sometimes do watch you. Are this woman being vandalized? Is she still engaged in washawo? The man will come. You see when the man look, there are many women where I know when men come meet, come they beg. After I born leave her, you don't work and you don't see woman like her. The rest women are what? A Kokobi Financial Association. Go say, may I go meet the mother of my kid? That woman is a decent one. Because if they wash you, you keep yourself. Many women don't feel keep themselves. Impatience, they keep many of them. Why? They don't feel keep themselves because of what? Kokobiri don't enter them. They know for that place must chop. He must chop. A dead boat to kumari and I don't be. He can be say a dead boat to kumari by they know they break. When those be no go chop. Now those women don't be. Now I make you see them from there don't count bar. Because why? When the men don't hear their story, say this one will born for me. So now so she can't be. This one just sleep around. No, he made me young. Why? Because the man can see and say you don't taba. A woman live a responsible life. For a man, you put respect on yourself so that the man will respect you. Live a good life and stop what? When you are being married or you have a man, stop sleeping around. When a man have engaged to marry you, all you need to do, live a decent life to please the man. That is why I play that music to respect our mother, our wife. We did this thing. We're responsible. We keep ourselves. We're not fool ourselves. And many women, this kind of single mother, women don't live. We're busy today. They still keep themselves. There was a lady that called me from UK the other time. The lady swear. She swear. They say, I will swear. I have been like this for 2 years. Waiting for my man. I say, are you sure? You know, say me now to swear juju. I say, swear juju. And I say, you see, swear you want return now. He say, I swear. I say, I'm here with now. You are not seeing me. I will even naked and swear. Now I say, swear with us. I'm saying it. I look at that woman. You are so decent. How many women are like you? He said, not all. So we, some of us. I am waiting for my man. I am praying over him. I know. Because I know. Now his complaint is we are communicating now. That is what a responsible one, single mother. He said, I will wait first before I take a decision for my children to grow a little bit because she doesn't want to be taba. A decent woman. The woman swear. How many women can come out to say I am a decent woman? How many? How many women can come out to say I don't belong to Kokobiri Evangelization? I am not a Taba single mother. I am not a Zans Association married women. How many of women will come out? Because we have some of these women who are married who still belong to a Zans Association. Now the Kokobiri Evangelization are now moving, upgrading toward and become the Taba Association. And when you are being Taba, my brother, my sister, forget that place. Nobody to go there because that place they woos. No matter how you stay for 3 years, me must sleep with you. When your body go come back, not go come back. Because that place, you don't rot. You don't lose. Finish. Because no man can enter there. Look at listen to me. Look at here. I want to give you an example. where 4 us or 5 us they enter. For any woman, I might use us measure example. Where 4 us they blow every day, us they blow every day. Maybe 4 us they enter there every day, and dog can go enter there. Dog can scream what they do every day. My mom answer me. Us and dog, which one get long cassava? And us, 4 us they do every day. And when dog can scream, and dog can so let me one day chop, and let me come they do one day. And you see say that dog go fit get wetin they do for that also where us don't enter. Dog can not get wetin he want do for where us be. The kokobiri are us. They are us. They are us. They are, I give an example, they are us. Where they don't enter. And then don't enter there. Then don't finish there. Where they don't finish. How you can expect a young looking handsome Nigerian man who just want to get married to you? After coming there now, the man will go there once and you say you are not satisfied. How can the man please you? You will definitely shit on the man. Because why? The horse has what go in total. How can the dog come now? A dog cannot satisfy you anymore. Single mothers, please, I want every one of you Nigerian single mother based in the diaspora should live what? A decent and a responsible life. Many don't want to get married because of what? Government money, single mother money. Many women are here today. They don't want to even get married to a man because they don't want the government to know they are married. Once they are married, no more money. That is why you see a lot of single mothers engage in being single. Because they engage in being single. They engage in being single. Eh? So all these women now, tell me, when TJ Akibo say na me destroy, I want to answer the guy say I don't want block and they look and says, I don't want block. You say how people block and when TJ Akibo say na me destroy them, who are the men that destroy them? When you are talking about men, they are different. Is it the Nigerian men that destroyed them or the Kokopiri men that destroyed them? You people should help me to ask TJ Akibo. TJ Akibo who said that is it not the men, not men that destroyed the life of these women you are talking about? So this TJ is the death of Ashawo. How can a man destroy a Nigerian man destroy them? Where I even make a reference and an example of a horse and a dog. When you are being destroyed by Kokobiri, you are not expecting a Nigerian man to marry you. Egba. I don't put Nigerian number now. They use for WhatsApp now. Anybody want to call me for WhatsApp, always they call Nigerian number. Because who they call, so I want to tell you now, don't call this number again as WhatsApp. Let me up and answer this first and don't call this one. So, hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you call a number. Who are you number? You call me WhatsApp in case a dove.
Sorry, you really want to give me a song for
okay, okay, you okay, go make one. Hey, Megela, what in way you already? Then I'll give me information. Give me the information. You real life, Sha. Eh? Oh, Imam, you speaker. Speaker. We mo speaker dey. Yeah. Yeah. You call me from Germany. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Awa arriba be Germany okay go down your way. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye, thank you. Yes, that's a good caller from Germany. It's a good caller from Germany. And now I've called. I love people give me good information. When we are talking about Amedon in Germany, now this Ahmed, I know I forget Amedon in Germany. Amedon in Germany. Now, some women will be say they say they marry, even with their husband day for Germany. The Amedon of the man, not the house where you dey. And the Amedon of that man dey another place. And you call yourself a married man and a married woman. Many Nigerian men and women living in Germany, they are not married. But they will claim they say they are married, living to, but the Amedon of that man is not in the same house with the wife. But the Amedon, if they are writing letter, we writing letter from another house to the man, and they claiming to be married. Now we want to catch out the Germany women who said they are married. If you know you are in Germany, you claim to be a married woman, and you are living together with your husband. We want to see the Amedon of your house and the woman and the man. Then we will know you people are a true word married people. Now it has come to my notice that many Nigerian men and women in Germany who claim to be married, and the women are claiming single to the government of Germany, and the man has address is what is another place which is known as what Amedon. And that Amedon, and when letter is coming to the house, the letter will be coming to another house. And the woman did not put the man address in the same house, and the family thought they are married. Where is the house address? And the letter does not come from there. Is that a married woman or a married man? Make una answer, and this goes to the man and the woman. Come on, is that a married man or a married woman? They are not married. Those of them, una they beg una self. You people, any woman or man where they do those, they are irresponsible women. They are not married. Because you people are doing it, you are destroying your marriage automatically. Curse is upon that marriage. If you don't know. Okay. Eh? Okay, automatically, illegally, you are not married. Because why? You cannot, I cannot be married now with my wife. My house address is another place. And only my wife address is here. I'm not a married man because the governor is not recognized we are married. And these women and men are doing it because of government benefit. You claim to be married. Let's go. If you know you are a German man, a German woman, you say you are married. Let me see your Amedon. The Amedon of the man and the Amedon of the women. And the woman, and same goes to UK. Because a lot of men and women are still doing it in UK. They claim to be single. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, bros.
Yeah, good afternoon, my brother.
Yeah, don't want to pay.
It's everywhere.
Come on. I want like people to use your program.
Go on.
You see, with you talk, so a very good thing because it makes sense. But only which I want to be say, not because of money, most of those men don't marry. You know why I talk?
Okay, go on. Yeah, I'll see stick to your point now. You must give out. Everybody has get right to talk.
Because we all know, say for Europe, now when you carry woman, who marry for what they call Okumu or Kumiana, they call her.
Yes, yes.
Now come to recognize you don't marry.
Yes.
If you do, many men did this Europe, they do traditional marriage for house.
Yes.
And the woman they live for the same house. You know,
Yes.
come and not cutting money.
Yes.
Now even when they declare say you want the man to live together, your money now small they will come out, they don't cut and finish.
Yes.
So now stupidity, most of them we not marry. Or now which they inherit because of family, many women distorts house.
Yes.
You understand? So now because we as a man, before we go into marriage, even dating self, we need to know the background of the woman. We need to know the kind of woman we want to stay with.
Yes.
You understand? So because some of these women, once you don't marry them, their attitude will change. When you date them, the character will be different.
Yes.
So not be saying that because they don't want to stay with man.
Yes.
Many want for us, they are very responsible.
Yes.
So one responsible, that responsible. One responsible, they're not responsible.
You're right.
You know, so now I want to talk. Thank you
My
very
brother,
much.
God bless you for that point. You talk one word where I respect you. You say whether culture, we first look at the family background of the woman, whether this woman, papa say, mama stay with papa, or the man look.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I did with you.
Because you still look at Papa, whether Papa stand as a man. Because that thing where you talk so much, but you bring up point. Because wife, now stupidity really the worry as you talk on. Because you know if you deal with your wife, you go put God, and even though you deal with your wife, God may not small money to what is the essence of separating your house and just do this thing? May God bless you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Yeah. You see a good caller with a good point. And if you merge with your husband, a small money come and remove. But all these women and the stupid men who will move their house address, go put for another place. Because of what? Benefit. Where is your Amedon? Is your Amedon is where is he living with? Are you living with your wife? Like at the German government does not know you people are living together. All they know, the UK government does not know you people are living together. Or the France government does not know you people are living together. Or the Italian government does not know you people are living together. All you do, you only put your house address there and the man address on that place. Automatically, you are an irresponsible man, an irresponsible woman. You cannot get married now. Your house address is another place, Kafachan. And the woman is Meduguri. And now you are saying you are married, me and my husband. Now the just occasion. Now the club. If you see many of these women, Mona watch as techno go that party that day. You see some of these women. They hold their husband. They go techno get like me. How's their handmaid on? You say now your husband. Now your husband say where your handmaid on? My guy, bring your handmaid on. My sister, bring your handmaid on. May we look at 12 now. They the same house. And the man has address there on that place. They receive letter from that place. And the woman with the man they together and then they born. When later they come from other place. Who stupid pass? Now the man stupid pass. Now the man stupid pass the woman. I want to tell you at this point. Now the man stupid pass. Because if the man not stupid, he go ask his wife. How much did they ask him? Make that they work. You they work. We can make things work out. How much can they work? Say how much they ask them? Now the man stupid pass. If he say want to be a responsible man, the man need to culture his wife. Say my wife. If you love me, you want I'm you your wife. I want our house address to be in one place. Let me be working, you working. Now the man stupid pass. Now the man stupid pass. We should call a spade a spade. Most men when they do those things to the woman, now that man stupid. You know if you move your house address on that place, your woman address on that place, automatically you are a stupid man. The journey was okay. So I understand. So I want make una know now. If you know say you be married, you dey Germany, your house address, e no dey where your wife dey. You should immediately go and make your way and call your woman, my love. I no want make my house address dey on that place. Make them know say we marry. Me and the husband, now you the husband. Which time they want put you now? I know people my house address again. Me I talk. Maybe they know say we dey together now. Which one be slave single mother where you be? Yeah. So me I am the man. I tell those men that they stupid past, and those men they put curse upon themselves. Now they go they brag. No, if they go they don't fear bada. Yes. Now me the woman say the follow Mr. and Mrs. Where your house address dey? Where your house address dey? Your Amedon dey. Where is your Amedon? Your Amedon dey Stuttgart. As a man, your Amedon dey Stuttgart. And your wife, dey what? Berlin. You dey with your wife of Berlin. And your Amedon is Stuttgart. Or your wife dey Düsseldorf. Your dey Dortmund. Which kind of life are you living? Because una want make una money dey big. Is that the life you choose to live? Why can't you walk? Agusi wana robome Obama guina. Umami iyan asi wan. Obama gbera me Obama gbije be. Iwaja o. Obama gbera me Obama gbije be. Iwaja o. Obama guina o. Ibi edo me. Iwaja o. So like it where obo why automatically obo gbe ni bia ni obo gbu wa ni bia. As a responsible man, you need to live what a decent Yeah, you in the Bible now. They don't give you the pin now. So you see, see what they talk about. Wait, if I dey talk this thing, una say I know what they talk. Those men wey dey Germany, mona go and made una way. Oh, you know people you are made up from another place, and the woman, you dey with the woman, the only the man, woman has address dey there. Automatically, you are not a responsible man. A man must show an example. You no know that thing na generation cause. Na so your pikin will see the do am. God, I rebuke am for una children body o. That is why una need to change and make your way. Make that particular thing not follow your move with your word generation. That's what they call heredity. They say na papa and you know that was called it transfer. You move. Go move your pikin can't get the one of your pikin will say, my papa and my mama not get the same as them because German money now. Maybe we see me still live that same life now. My people, make una change una way. Make una change. Kadoba, I greet you. Make una change una way. It is good. Make una change una way. Our women and our men, those men wey go there, they will be like that. Na useless pass me. Any man wey no say involved in this thing, no say na you useless, but may I take water. Yeah, let me pick this caller. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello, caller. Yeah, who be that? Yeah. Hello? Elvis, yes. 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 Yes.
The matter for this Europe,
Yeah.
matter where I get this matter, this Europe, some women to stay with them for us and a problem.
Yes.
If you deal with them for us, finish it. They'll only bring so kind of to say, man, you as a man, you don't need that.
Yes.
At all. You know, sometimes one man don't make family, you go stop some kind of things like when you dey single and when you don't born, deal with your wife, you go stop some kind of things, get some kind of friends so you don't want to associate yourself with. Maybe say you and your woman get quarrel now and one little quarrel, she go take her beyond your expectation because anything we want resolve now you they get problem.
Yes.
If anything happen now you don't say me come up for us.
Yes.
So those things they make boys one day say make I just hold my side, make she dey like that. By that time go dey more better than we did together because if they did together, women no. They the one they ride on me for you. I get many friends who be say they don't want to stay with their woman. Not for any reason, not because of money, not because of anything. They even prefer to share the money together than to do their own. But because of that aspect of say maybe the woman, you go the fish, Europe, all these things where I chat up.
Yes.
And they make many casuals the same maybe they just did. Or they will not be saying maybe they not like.
No, you don't see the way that one where you talk now. Hold on. You explain that one where the part now where they talk, the man go deal with the woman, but he go put his address to that place.
Yeah, that one, they not dey together as like that.
Okay, now make I talk now, but then they together. Oh, then like say their house address, they are saying even they stay they on that, but you go they see as you talk and school. I understand that one. But now you of them day, two of them day together, Now the house address they no recognize they say now husband and wife. The man house address dey on another place. The woman dey on a day there, and two of them they stay the same. Leave letter they come from another place. The man has the letter when they come. How you see that kind of person?
That one a money aspect now. I don't see any reason they whereby they stay together and they do like that.
Okay.
That one a money aspect.
Thank you very much. You don't talk and I make I say maybe see that one a money aspect.
Yeah, because when me listen to your video, the reason why I talk, I got the reason I say maybe on the side where they go because all these things we don't experience out where we don't experience out for this now generally for the course. So Na Germany.
Na Germany for the
we
talk.
don't experience
Okay,
that.
yes.
Yeah, na Germany, but
Yeah.
they get Italy WhatsApp
I
number.
know. I know. Say many German women, our Nigerian women, just they do nonsense there. If man dey with them,
Yeah.
they misbehave.
Yeah, for real. Because my house where I dey na family house.
Yeah.
Only family because I be family man. I get, you know, I get
Yeah.
wife and children.
Yes.
That's why I dey na family house. So, but the house now temporary house.
Yes.
Get where you stay for the house.
Yes.
Then they'll tell you, so yeah, see time where you want to come out. You go find your own house.
Yes.
Rent.
Yes.
So this family where I come, I meet them for the house.
Yes.
I meet them the day as family, like just the way me and my woman and my children all sit down, so they all sit there.
Yes.
So they don't due to go fair house. And the woman can't even get belly. Due to when they take fair house, and what I experience for the family. Okay, now the daughter I'm gonna go fair on the house now like 2 room, 1 parlor. Una take they live on a family life. If the man start work and handle, see give out be way go they do for inside the house. Okay, now that period, this of me all these people they very happy. You know, the woman just correct, small quarrel. You don't go meet the man and say, man, you know what do again one day on you know. Based on that man don't suffer reach due time without it. Before you know that this guy now is back to I gonna go put him for back to camp and this guy now he go to the house. They feel like so all those things they just some men just prefer say maybe they just by themselves.
So the woman just drive the man immediately because he knows they want put the man down at all.
Yes, driver. And the woman they he go rent apartment now 2 room 1 parlor. They live where they get more everything. And he get belly. He pursue that man. He pursue that man. But you know what here? What you are seeing for this guess because I know you talk about I say guess why because I know you talk about anything. Any woman who don't reach 30 years, I don't want to talk about their matter. We don't pass 30 years. I just want to talk about those young girls like from 20-something to 30 years.
Yes.
All those are say man, they just dey now, they just see guy, now your the family, now they teach man, maybe not so life now. Life no end there. Life no end there at all because many of them they feel maybe the money. Plus money not there. All those are not be money though. Not money, all those small shares you be say man, just they see for that not be money.
Okay.
One thing about my house, I prefer say man, I want me make children, me they grow from my house in the way they keep bonding, the way they keep big. I want me to see my treat my children because I know what I lack for my parents, and I know what parents and my children lack for me. You understand? But for this Europe particularly, especially this Germany, single mother they give themselves, I know with a shame. Sometimes if I enter train, I see black women at the shame. So you have to carry like 4 children, only she will already that 4 children. If you all see them, the children will if they ever born for Nigeria, ever better pass it.
Talk true, for true.
Yes, and they pay them well. So they very tired. You're the shame as a black man. Most especially if you see Nigerian person talk, you know now. You're the shame. With the shame for the year. With the shame, not be say maybe now in Nigeria they do this thing, they born, they come as family. White too, they do it.
Yes.
But Nigeria it worst. As in it was, but not be all some family, some family and family will be say you they like bill, you also like deal with them as in you like their style too.
Yes.
But for women when they are still they up, we never know as then they feel say maybe they don't born maybe everything don't they maybe fuck don't be problem, but don't be fucking. It's not a family. Make home, make your children they happy.
That is it.
Yes. That just make your children they happy because even if she they happy now, other children not they happy tomorrow when they see say man so it be now so it be tomorrow now. Another person they call me daddy. Picky went up in now. It is say I go like her with my man.
Like her.
No. I'm not if I like I pretend follow you say I like and allow. No, your own.
Yes.
So nothing like say man, nothing like say I've asked for lady, nothing like say Nana picking, I be papa, take responsibility, I deal with her. Say maybe you go born, you born first picking, I can't follow you, you can't born down for me. You expect say the way I can take my mind, take your own life. You know the work, you know if you work. Girls just need to wise up for this country because even the TCF, they don't know us put governments.
Exactly.
They don't know us put, they don't know we Nigerians put, they don't know us say man, now that can't one life.
Okay, they don't even know for Germany now.
They don't know us put now. They don't know us put. I get one matter that time for I get matter when my go meet lawyer. concerning another different matter, like Alpha for our matter, how the government is talk for our matter. Lawyer want reply my woman, you know teach my woman.
Yes.
He say whether me and she still there, whether we still there, this year. Now my woman say yes, he say But when my woman reach her, she has tell me this matter, but I think I go another extent. Say the reason why this man asked my woman this matter because he get many clients too, will be see family. So many, before you know, 1 year, before you know, the woman don't come say me, we not there again, no, you don't there, you know. Let me the man ask me that kind of question, say whether 12 not still there again. You know, so the thing they give us bad record, even situation where Germany want give family document or they wait because of the man, or they wait, or they find confusion, or they wait me separate the, or they wait me that separation come. And those things, where all those things see they follow they come, women, those things they come for opportunity to take collect picky for the hand, they not still know.
Thank you very much.
Very difficult for Germany. You know the possible for Germany to say they want to carry your picking with the man and the woman they together.
Is it possible?
Is it possible?
Is it possible?
But when they not there again, when they don't say maybe the woman they one side, the man they one side, they get up hand. Again one day I want quickly go buy something for supermarket. I can't come down, check my post. Based on my boss, because I open my post, I see say what I buy online, they don't bring a corner come my home and make her collect and down. And she want to collect and door jam. As door jam now, key days ass. You understand? What you will go do, she come now me to reverse back once. What you will do to now we call police. Police can tell us say okay, they'll call fire brigades come. Now those one few good do. The way I did the hear my pikin cry, they cry. I was forced to go meet my neighbor, follow balcony, use the balcony, enter my balcony to go carry my pikin. When they come see what I do as in, they come as in, the many of fire brigade will come as in, they come they happy, like, you know, they not take out scrap, say me, maybe I go follow balcony as in, they happy, say me, I've rescued my pikin before they will come. You understand? That one a fatherly love. They feel so.
Yes.
So I really say, man, all these things, not be say these people they don't know, they know. But secondly, you know, say men for Europe, we have like Europe, the whole Europe, now women get Europe because women they get up hand for luck, all this kind. You know how they do women. But men, I want you to be saying, our women are supposed to understand the fact, say men, they don't fit do without us. Not fit say maybe this one don't happen like that one don't happen like that. Any man where they go meet tomorrow, they go see ID. They go see the way that they pretend follow their husband who they marry, will be say the thing constitution. The man who they want to go jail, he go pretend. He don't pretend follow them because of document or 1 or 2 benefits. We want benefit from the woman. It's like that.
You are right.
I just
Thank you. God will bless you.
You understand? Yeah. So our guys they need to wise on. They need to wise them because now they are said that they do man and man.
Man and man. Thank you.
I just see my system my thoughts because this is because the shame.
Oh, God bless you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So now the street caller people are their view about the nonsense where our women they do. Okay, now even the money when they give them, say don't they use and take care of the children. So now all this thing where we dey hear so now it's a very bad thing to our world women. Now very, very bad thing to our women. That is why I'm talking about what? If you see, if all these women engage in this, they will not become taba women. Now make they talk, a woman must live a good life, make she not taba. When a woman don't vandalize them with by cocoa don't vandalize them. All these places where they call this WhatsApp. I tell them that one they call for WhatsApp. Now after I call him. Hello, caller from Greece. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
I dey follow your this thing.
Yeah, go on.
The person who talked last before this guy.
You say?
I disagree about what he's saying.
You disagree on that guy. Now that one be WhatsApp, but talk since you don't call this one WhatsApp. That one I can't put for WhatsApp. Now this one can't be calling direct. In case people know they distract you. In case if they call now, not gonna make this number for call it, the other one WhatsApp. But call, go on, continue your talk. Because make or not disturb the call that. Go on.
I disagree with him because, you know, say there is some kind of respect where they will give you when you are together.
Yes.
No matter what happens, you are a man. And when children start coming, you have to take that responsibility.
Thank you.
You understand? Yeah. As a man, there is some issue that will rise in the family, in a home. You must disagree to agree.
Yes.
You will not take because of that one. You go and live one place, your wife is living one. You can't imagine how the children, how are you going to grow tomorrow? You understand? We are like the mirror they are seeing.
You are right.
Are you getting my point? So, I have seen in cases when the man by himself, the woman, they have issues. Because of, say, the man, they are together. They say they are together. They said, okay, this baby, you are going to take it. Since the baby has the father, because of that, they give the father the baby. They say, okay, since this issue, you cannot resolve it, because the woman has some mental problem. They said, okay,
reduce, stay where network, they reduce where for the washer, in the echo for this one. Stay where maybe reduce the one way for the washer.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello? The next one problem. Just, you understand? I know you what is talk. I don't know one of our family write me say I just put to bed. Congratulations. Who put to bed? I not gonna know the number for my phone. They say put to bed, send message. But the number is not my phone. I just put to bed. Congratulations. Hello. Koyo, I know my sister. Koyo, I go make one. Who put to bed? Who?
Me.
I know. You say? Hello, talk to me. Okay, now you be Patrick Favor. You are newborn. They see you for life. You need put to bed. Congratulations. But you did now. Congratulations. So let's celebrate with our sister Patrick Favor. Wait, daylight they right there just now. She just new put to bed. Congratulations. Now bouncy baby boy, bouncy baby girl. Which one?
Bouncy baby boy.
Bouncy baby boy. Now your husband try. Now he climb you, not be you climber. Congratulations to Patrick Favor. Let's say congratulations to the new bouncy baby boy Patrick Favor just put to bed. Now, do I say later I just put to bed? I saw her writing there. Congratulations, my sister. God will bless you from Germany. Congratulations. God will bless you and take care of you and protect you and your children. So live in Jesus' name. Wait till now, take care of the children. You know, go hard now. No evil hand shall stress over that child and over you and your husband and the former children you get. No evil hand. Every tongue that rises against you shall be destroyed in Jesus' name. Congratulations. Please congratulate Patrick Favor for me for a new bouncy baby boy. A good fans. I saw her writing there. I just put to bed. She write me here. I put to bed. I say, I don't know. Thank you, my sister. God bless you. So where Oga no dey there now?
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Take off the baby. Tell baby say who here don't touch or say congratulations. So any if he grow, come watch the video. Go here say the day when they give birth to her. So when the mother Patrick Favor calls I gave birth, who here don't say congratulations. So this pikin go be where it is possible for him mate to be possible for him in Jesus' name. So now say go be. It will always be the first and not the last. So shall it be in Jesus' name. I pray for him. So shall it be in Jesus' name. Congratulations, madam. Now joyful thing when bouncy baby boy come. Whether na bouncy baby boy again, I see happiness when a person put to bed. It's not easy. So I celebrate this mother. You know, this is how I celebrate women. It's not easy to carry a child for 9 months and he give birth. So it is not easy. So that is why I want a woman to live a decent and responsible life. My sister, congratulations once again. Please congratulate Patrick Favor. God bless you, my sister. Congratulations once again. Omoro, may I just be easy talking. Omoro, Oga Guwedia, Beton Sanu, that's Beteni Kao. He said, okay? Go, okay now, later. Ciao. So now congratulate our sister Patrick Favor. She just put to bed now, and it's a joyful thing. I am talking about what a woman to live a decent life, and single mother should stop being vandalized by Kokobri, and single mother that are being tapped, and a responsible married woman, and a responsible single mother. Inside the program, we hear the cry of a bouncy baby boy. As we were discussing that, our beautiful sister Patrick Favor in the house just put to bed a bouncy baby boy. Please, let's celebrate with Patrick Favor in the house. In short, I want play one music to celebrate. I like joy. I bet me I play music to celebrate Patrick Favor in the house. No, I must play music put. Yes, we all must play music. I must play music. Oh, I want to celebrate Patrick Favor in the house. Yes, so I must play music put. Oh, I must celebrate. I want to celebrate him. Ìwé ìjọba Osano Jomona, you go away. Congratulations to her. Osano Jomona, you go away, Mona. Osano Jomona, you go away, Mona. Eki oberi akpo Mona no da biena saluta si. Osano Jomona wetenena. You go away. Na Jomona unoma eyomona ewetenena. I don't say with her. Akpodi ekega ama ne uye. Osano game your mommy umai wano suna. Awa. Oh. La mi pe yo me. I want to celebrate with her. La wo papa. Iwana la wa egbe no ma egbe no wa egbe no. Iwana. Wa pe ma egbe no. Osano ji we agbe ne pa ya celebrate e. I want to celebrate that baby boy. Baby, and you know, I'm on our way there. Oh, no. Osano Jomona, do you go where you go? It's not easy for 9 months. I'm celebrating with Patrick Favor in the house. Because do you go for Mama? muda ni bi so muda no mo na. Congratulations. Do you go away at Guamona? No, Guamona, about being a Guamona. Osano Jomona. Do you go away at Guamona? Uno, my mona. Oh. Osano Jomona. I want to celebrate for this baby, I bet. I want to celebrate this baby. 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 Yes, so. Yeah. Ọ̀rọ̀ àgùwẹ̀ díà ọ̀bọ̀ bí ayé pa mọ́ ní òkòwò ipa ní ọmọ náà rẹ̀ bẹ̀tẹ̀ ní tẹ́wọ̀kò rẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ náà òwòrò yẹn kúwẹ̀ fún ọmọ ní ìjọ ọmọ náà rẹ̀ ní tí ayé ọ̀ṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tẹ́ ní kàwé tí ó sànúdà sí ìtẹ́ ẹnu àgùwẹ̀ díà tí ó sànúdà sí ọ̀rọ̀ àmì òpó wọn bá a tó fẹ́ ṣẹ́ Yes, so yes, I don't celebrate, I don't dance. I'm very proud, I'm very happy today. Yes, I'm very happy for this music. Yes, yes. I don't dance this music. I'm very happy. I celebrate with you, my sister. Yes, it's a very, very good day, a joyful day for me. As I talk about a woman, a responsible woman, inside the program, we hear the cry of a baby. Now we hear the cry of a baby. Now we hear say, baby don't show. When we hear say baby show, now we hear say baby show. It's a very joyful thing. So we go rejoice with the baby. So today my heart is filled of joy. Congratulations to Patrick Favor. It's the house for a new bouncy baby boy. Patrick, that's your favor. I'm happy with you. I celebrate you. So today we're talking about a woman that has been tabac. We talk about a woman that has been vandalized by Kokobiri. We talk about a responsible woman, and we talk about a married woman, a good single mother. Inside there, we are talking about the issue of women. Now we hear a bossy baby boy can't cry, can't come out. That means Uno Mountain. So we are happy and we celebrate our beautiful sister that called from Germany just gave birth today. We celebrate with you, and it's a remarkable day. Today, which is on the 8th of October, Favor, we begin to locate you, madam. Now, so it go be. Or mona or renenia, emi ya de ya no we ya kebe ni Jesus Christ be tenikao. Matane your age. So congratulations to you, my beautiful sister. It's a joyful day. That is why I celebrate with you. So celebration will never cease in your heart. So as many that congratulate her, that are looking for the fruit of the womb, this is your opportunity for you to tap your blessing. Tap it to celebrate with her. No, this November, I mean, this on the 8th of November, not be October or November, a slip of tongue. The month of, thank you, Jeff, a decade. The month of November, on the 8th of November. So you see, say, on the 8th of November, now the baby cry come out. So from this period, we are celebrating celebration period. So Favor will allocate them. So now today, now the 8th of November, where our sister gave birth, Patrick Favor, it also we celebrate with you. So long live. May you all live. You, your husband, your baby, you will reap the fruit of your labor. So ọmọ ní ọ̀rá gùwẹ́ díà bẹ̀tẹ̀ nìkan bẹ̀tẹ̀ sànú dàzí òbó pè àgbà bó pè gbà ẹ̀ màtá ní yọ̀rá jẹ́ bẹ̀tẹ̀ sànú dàzí àbàtà ọba sẹ́. So today we don't bless We don't talk and so it go be. I'm very proud. I'm happy. So women will not live responsible life. You see, you go the shame not let you call say for program say you born because you know you are not responsible. A woman that is responsible make us to know she just gave birth and it's a joyful thing. So we celebrate with her. A woman must live a decent life and a responsible life. There is difference between Mrs. and Miss. And a Miss is a woman that is married. Before a man touches that woman, before a man pour insult upon that woman, he will take a look at the husband. If the husband here you are pouring insult on you, what is the response of the husband? Same goes to a man that is married. When the wife hear the way you are insulting the husband, the wife will respond. So when you are not married, you are a single woman. People will humiliate you. Amen. Small children go use you well. They go blow you blow everywhere blowable. That is why you scream. One single mother that have been vandalized by Kokobiri, that women that call their strength a comfortable single mother, they are not comfortable. They are in pain. Those are the people that be taba. When I say taba, a wayward people that you can't even hear. The place is wide. It has been opened. They have been tapa. They have been vandalized. Nowhere how can a man come close to that woman? It's impossible. A woman that has been tapa cannot live with a man. Watch out for some of the women that have been tapa. A single mother. Here the hit point of a woman. When a man they hit this woman, tomorrow you constantly person marry this woman. It's impossible. You cannot marry such woman. Never in life. How can you marry this kind of woman? I don't show the video. You're here, a single mother. Look at this deadly single mother, Germany.
Wetin dey sup? Who send you? Na me send you. Oh, Raf, you dey
Yeah.
for bed. Na drama you dey o. You forget abi? Drama go drama. You dey ever wear you do.
See her? Can you marry this woman? See her? See her? They wear the woman here, single mother. See her? Oh, now see the way they wear this woman. They wear this single mother. They wear her ta. Tell me how best you take marry this woman. How tell me wetin man fit do for this one? Tell me who man na Kokobiri vandalizer not be Nigeria. Tell me who see na Kokobiri see the woman na Kokobiri vandalizer see na. See the guy face Kokobiri man. Wetin dey talk? See the way the Kokobiri dey vandalizer. Kokobiri man see dey shaishe. Wa gbe o single mother. You are fooling yourself. Later now they write bad thing for my platform. Some of them maybe na she your day they write so. See her. Tell me how person take marry you to enjoy you. See her. Dog. Who want marry this one? See her. Who want marry this one? You cannot marry this kind of woman because she not go stay husband because she will not be satisfied. Every day you go dey wear am. Every day you go say make you dey do 5-10 times because she's still not satisfied. See the wearing, atomic bomb, see the girl. I will send you the video privately. You watch the girl, yeah girl. One Maria, single mother. I see the wear the breast where they don't sell breast. They follow. They see that guy na bad shooter Kokobiri guy. The Kokobiri position the camera right where the girl Germany. Man, many women don't suffer for Germany. The way they wear them. If you see the wear, the way that guy they wear, no break. Oh, back. You not hear now. No bad cream. One man, who go man. Tomorrow night, maybe this guy they complain say the father of the children a bad person. But screen now who they wear and a Kokobiri, they wear nonsense. Nobody get they wear them. How if you marry that clear? How you fit do one? Tell me the way you straight do one. You can't. You waiting. You are nobody. Thank you to a lovely Yamu. Nobody will marry her. Guma me, lovely Guma. Nobody will marry such girl. They hear this kind. They wear her back. So see this problem we they talk about. Our women, single mother must marry. I don't talk am. They must marry. Who want marry am? Dog. You see the blowing. And this girl now, maybe now you get about social media, they will write baba thing they give you here though. See where they blow you as you find rich with your low cut. The boy don't maybe the year where you put they will move on now. The Kokobiri boy, your position you wear. Kokobiri position you wear. And this one now, you don't taba. Because this kind of the kind of wear where you see so, now taba they go. If four of them wear like that every day like that, tell me how you fit take wear that kind of woman. You know fit beg guy, no wear because they don't finalize, don't taba. And any woman wey don't taba. Now then they praise single woman. Then they say I'm comfortable. Anytime you hear woman say comfortable single woman, the woman is taba. Her body no good again. They don't vandalize and finish. She can't taba. She can't dey pour water. Because she know anybody come in there go talk and come out for public. For nobody to talk upon me say this woman that body don't pour us. She go big it or say, I want to live a single mother life. I'm a comfortable single. Nothing comfortable for single mother. Nothing. She's sharing tears and weeping saying, I don't know. She's sharing tears. Any woman saying, I'm comfortable. She's weeping and sharing tears. She's saying, I share regretting when she's lying down. Because why? She don't taba. He knows any man will take and go talk and come and say, Yeah, you see everything. See woman don't taba. You see any woman will say, I want to live a single life. Well, they don't taba. I don't tell the truth. If you say that I make it bigger, come on. May we examine the play when I never taba. Any woman will say, I live a command. Tell her make it bigger. May we examine them. You will say and say the place don't pour us. Don't taba. It don't open. Don't pour us. It don't open like this. Don't taba. Don't open. I don't think I mean no slow and maybe because they don't block my Facebook. Because that guy wear when they say wearing, he wear and that guy don't pack bola don't the Kokobiri boy say man waiting they happen. They don't blow nothing, don't blow this thing, blow on us here. That can't get now. You see wear like you see the front for outside. You the toast and the job they say no, and no. You see the front. What is the front for? How your trepidate marry you after your body don't open, don't blow nonsense move your body. I beg you, today may I come to the end of the show. Our women must live a decent life. Our women must live a decent life. And I use this thing to tell, if you know you are among the single father, you must change. You must go back to your wife. If you know now you don't leave a woman, you will be single father, go back to your wife. And take care of carry your responsibility as a man. If now you won't leave the woman, you move the woman for the pains, go carry the woman. But if the woman don't care about because say the woman say, maybe they blow 10 times a day, my brother, I run for your dear life. If now that one be the problem, that one not be bad thing. When the woman tell you, say, maybe you only do 5 times a day, say you know they do well, where you want to do well. Say you know they do well, tell the woman. What you want to do well? What kill you? Let you dey do am. Because why? Any woman will tell you like you know saying that Kokobiri don't vandalize her. She was lucky to get married before she taba. You see the secret? Because she can't get lucky. Because so you marry her before she taba. But like say taba, as you enter there, you go run come out. But you go swallow your body. So I bet if you know now you make the woman not taba, you run leave her and go and marry the woman back and live a good life as a responsible man. If there is nothing like living together with your family, there is a joy seeing your kids. There is some certain things your children go do, like a man call from Greece just now. When you are with your family, they get what your pikin go do. When mama no fit correct and you as a father must correct am. That is why I have to know ever Queen Baby. That is why it's good to live a holy life. It's good when a man is worth caring. A man must live a good life and carry his responsibility as a father. It's not by carrying a brocos and say you are a father. No. There are difference between what a husband and a what? A baby father. There are the quality of what? A married man and a baby. Because a married man must be with his wife and what? Do what? Carry out responsibility. So if you are a man, you must go there and carry out your responsibility as a father, so that we can advise our women to live a holy life, so they won't put blame on us. That is why I use this meal to tell to our men, if you know you have made a lot of women a single mother, a responsible single mother, not be the one with taba, because they are the one way they don't fatherlize. But when you know saying because of money, now you do that woman like that. Now because of money, please. Because the woman not get money again, now you won't leave the woman. Go there and care. Okay? Okay? You should go there and carry out your responsibility as a man. I love you all. I love everybody. This Weirdo Talk Show. Single mother must marry. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. This comes to the end of my show of today. Men, live a holy life, and women be responsible. Most able to a married woman. All the married women, if you are a married woman, may God bless you. If you are a married woman, you are loyal and submissive to your husband, may God bless you. May God protect you. Whatever you are looking for, you shall repeat. You know woman will mock you. Any woman, single mother that want to make mockery of you, she will turn to backfire. And you will always move higher because you are living a responsible life with your husband. You are submissive. I pray for you, the cool married women. May your days be long. May you eat the fruit of your labor. May you never labor in vain in your matrimonial home. May the blessing of God from heaven be upon you. May the wind of favor locate you. So I pray for the responsible single mother. May God's favor be upon you. May the joy of the Lord be your strength. And may you never what? Suffer in vain. As you are a responsible single mother, you kept yourself not to be vandalized by Kokobiri. You are waiting for a decent man. And may the responsible man locate you, that will hold you like an egg. A man that will cherish you. That the man that left you will not regret, will say, I don't know. I pray for God to bring back the man, responsible man to you. If it's not the will of God for that, your man, your baby father that ran away, may God flog your baby father. Who want to choose to be an irresponsible single father, may God flog in there and like to run back to meet you and marry you. If you know you are the one, you are that man, you have neglected that woman, and the woman is still waiting for you, and the woman is a responsible single man, may God begin to flog that man day and night to go and meet that woman. May God begin to flog you day and night. You go and meet that woman. So I pray in Jesus' name. Day and night you go to the gym to see that woman until you go there and carry your responsibility and do what the Lord has ordained for husband and wife. Okay? If you are a responsible man, carrying your responsibility as a man, may God bless you. May God fill your purse. May you never lack. May the wind of favor blow for your sake. May the blessing open from heaven and pour upon you. May your land be fertile. Whatsoever you lay your hands upon as a man that is carrying as a responsibility, whatsoever you lay your hands upon shall prosper, including myself. You shall prosper. Whatsoever you ask God, God shall provide it for you. Any evil plan, a man, a woman plan for you, those that plan those evil plan, they shall fall inside, and you shall overtake and jump and pass. Those who plotted death, dig a grave, they shall fall inside, because you are a responsible man. You are taking care of your children, your family. God will bless you. And the single mother who choose to repent, who don't want to be vandalized again, may God touch your heart and repent to live a holy life. For those that have been taba, I still pray for you because you are already taba. It's impossible that no man can marry you again. You are a taba woman. Because any man that marry you, he can't enjoy you again because everything is porous. You want a man to sleep with you 10 times a day. So you are taba. And may God make you to preach the good news to the single mother. So change. I am an example. I have been taba. I want you to live a good life so that you will not regret what I'm regretting. So I want you to pray that prayer. As you preach that good news to all single mother, God will bless you and see that place again that I'll be taba to cover again. You must preach that prayer so that God will close that place to cover again. So I pray in Jesus' name. Amen. As single mother must marry, I remain Uyedo Tosho, the Kokobiri master, husband to all single mother. I love you all. Take care. Congratulations once again to our beautiful sister, lovely Patrick Idausa, for a bouncy baby boy. I named that child Today, I love you all. Have a wonderful day. See you next time on my next program. Uyedo Tosho, the Kokobiri master. Always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Uyedo Tosho Foundation YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. And as you do, God will bless you. Share. And as you do, God bless you. Subscribe. Uyedo Tosho Foundation. The Kokobiri master. Not be two. This is the other one. The Disguagua master. Love you all. And God bless you. Ciao. Ciao. Who they call from Germany? So I'll be the closer. Hello. Hey, damn your way. Hey, Oji. Okay. Iyata mame, iyata mame, so iyata mame. You look at it, feel like one, I see. Umaga this time, feel like one, feel like one. I will feel like one, feel like one. When you got up here now, let's up again, okay. So have a wonderful day and God bless you. Remember, as a woman, please don't belong to the association of Taba Squad. Now, no Taba Squad. Women we don't taba for social media. Was single mother association. We say comfortable single mother. Una know them like Lovely Ikioya, like Ivienive. Those are the Taba people. We will not say don't Taba. Now they call themselves comfortable single mother. They are not comfortable. We know they talk about condemn people. You know, say me I don't upgrade. I don't go. No say when you talking about people don't they help. Me I know they talk about people again. And they go on my own. Those are Taba Squad. They don't Taba. No matter marry them again. These are what Taba. Those are condemned Taba. Nobody don't put us. Love you. We are the Tosho Kokobiri master. Love you all. Don't belong to Taba Squad. Ciao. God bless you. Ciao.